Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of the series BannerCraft. In this video series, I will be teaching you how to make different banner designs in Minecraft. So, let's get started. In this video, I will be teaching you how to make the PokeBall banner. The items you will need are a loom, a white banner, 2 pieces of red dye, black dye, and white dye. After that, open up your loom and place the white banner inside your loom. After that, follow what I do. And there you have it, your very own PokeBall banner. If you have any other banner design suggestions, feel free to tell me in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!